Hello guys, I have Electrolux washing machine ESM64840SX and today I will tell you about the problem that limescale deposits on the tableware, on the top and on the inside of the door. The possible cause and solution: the level of salt is low. Check the refill indicator. The cap of the salt container is loose. Your tap water is hard. Refer to the water softener. Use salt and set the regeneration of the water softener. Even when multifunctional tablets are used, refer to the water softener in manual. Start the cleaning program with Descaler designed for dishwashers. If limescale deposit persists, clean the appliance with the suitable detergents. Try a different detergent. Contact the detergent manufacturer. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.